Hey, what's up, brothers? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And this is the brand new Huawei Nova 9, as you can see. And before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also subscribe to my second channel, Fonte Shorts. Thank you so much. Now, let's go. So, brothers, as you can see, this is the brand new Huawei Nova 9, a beautiful phone from Huawei without GMS, but with app gallery. So let's unbox this puppy. So this is the Huawei Nova 9. What else is inside the box? So we have here the silicone cover. Very nice. So silicone cover inside the box. USB-C, USB-A cable, and of course we have here the power cord, supercharge, 66 watts, as you can see. So very fast charging with the brand new Nova. So, and this is the Mindstar, the Nova 9. Let's turn the phone on. So we have 4 cameras on the back. This is the primary 50 megapixel shooter. Very nice material, no fingerprint. Beautiful phone. So this is the Huawei logo, and we are in the operation system. I will show you settings about phone. And this is the Huawei Nova 9 with MIUI 12, 8 gigs of RAM, Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G, but without 5G. It's only 4G chip. High resolution and security patch level from August 1st, so nothing new. The interface look like Harmony OS. We have the new notification, the new control panel here, the notification panel here. Very nice, without lag or something. Very beautiful. I really like the animations. I will show you. Beautiful MIUI 12 animations. Very nice. And I already installed in this phone Antutu, so let's check the score. About 500k. That's okay for me. Geekbench 5. Solid results. It's okay. So the power is very. The phone is very powerful. What else? I already installed in this Huawei Nova 9 the G-Space, so I can use some Google applications. As you can see, for example, YouTube. Open YouTube, tap on it, open it, and let's play it. Fonte, of course. Subscribe if you haven't already. Everything is fine. I will show you now the camera. And I will show you some more pictures. Gallery. This hunt is beautiful. This is the old Huawei, Honor phone. So the system is fluid and fast. No hiccups. Smooth, fluid, enough power The Snapdragon is great. The camera is also great. This is a very stylish phone, especially in this variant, the Pearl variant. Nova logo on the back, Huawei of course. Huawei! Very powerful camera setup right here. And I like the camera module. It's something. This is the S21, but this is more stylish. I like this much more. So the phone is also very slim, light, and it feels nice in the hands, and it reminds me the Huawei Mate 20 Pro with this design, with a curved display. Of course, there is fast. I will show you. The display is very fast, and the screen refresh rate 120 Hz. So very fluid experience with this Huawei Nova 9. So this was the unboxing and first look on this beautiful brand new Huawei phone with app gallery inside, with EMUI 12, with the Snapdragon processor, with powerful camera. I like this phone. So if you ended up enjoying the video, brothers, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe, wear a mask. Peace out. And stay phone tech, bros, as always. Thank you so much.